We got a Young Guns of Elias Pettersson. And I don't even know if I want to continue opening these packs. Young Guns of Elias Pettersson. And we finish the break off with you know it's good. Straight into the one touch. A rookie patch auto of Alex Tuch. Number 149 of 299. Rookie patch auto of Alex Tuch. It's a very interesting start to this box, but ho-ho! Right on! That's what we're looking for. Future Watch Auto, number 249 of 999, Morgan Rielly. That is definitely one card that you were looking for in 13-14 SPA. Get that on a stand. Morgan Rielly Future Watch Auto. And we should have a auto here in the last pack. Oh my. This looks like a 15-16 update. Ho-ho-ho! Jack Eichel! Let's go! Woo! Yes! What a way to finish this box. Oh my. Oh my. Jack Eichel Future Watch update from 15-16. Number 961 of 999. Tag Tyler Seguin, 2 of 4. Seguin tag. I like it when they throw in bonus packs like that. Upper Deck does it with Black Diamond. Panini did it this year with their Prime. They did not make Dominions, so they threw it in as, oh my god. Oh my god. We have a 1-of-1 shield. Casey Cizikas. 1-of-1 shield. Rookie in signs. Shield. Casey Cizikas. What a pull. And we haven't even gotten in to Prime. And straight into the one touch. We have a signature materials number 18 of 25 of Connor McDavid. Wow. Folks, my streak of bad luck here on the channel is officially over. Connor McDavid, signature materials, 18 of 25. Wow. Merry Christmas, folks. Middle. We have a future watch. Number 960 of 999 of Elias Pettersson. Folks, I am loving 1819 SPA. Our fourth card, we got a redemption. 16-17 rookie auto gold of Mitch Marner. That is going to be an absolute sick card right there. Alright, we have this one I have shown off on the channel before. Autographed rookie, Mitch Marner. Gold out of number 22 of 24. And our RPA. We have a Q-color rookie patch auto, number 12 of 99, Alex DeBrincat. Not the greatest of patches for being Chicago. Chicago always has that possibility of the 7-color patch, but we got a 99 RPA. Alex DeBrincat. What a great way of ending break number 49 here on C49 Hockey Breaks with a Alex DeBrincat 99 RPA. So, quick recap. And we had the big dog, the 99 RPA, 12 of 99. That's his jersey number. That is his jersey number. I am a little slow on noticing that. Wow. Jersey numbered 12 of 99. Alex DeBrincat. Wow. Well, folks, that was even a bigger ending than I originally noticed. Break number 49 here on C49 Hockey Breaks.